Okay, everybody. Hello. Welcome to the show. Got my memory card so I can remember what to say. This week, the episode is for the birds. My wife's car is going to get done. We can name that one Sheila because Frank needs a girlfriend, so I got to have it be fixed here. So, we are going to empty everything out painstakingly. We're going to show you every excruciating moment of emptying out this barn to get to Sheila. So this should be like a 75, 80 minute video of just emptying stuff. No, just kidding. We'll time lapse it. So there's all the stuff. Gonna get Sheila out, bring her in. That's our next project. That's it. Let's get a little R&R. Loosen it up a little. Yeah, I can do it just like that. Okay. All right, ready? Damn it! All right. Ugh.
There's a brown recluse spider on me.
They don't eat much. Yeah.
The first one would have worked.
What?
The first one would have worked.
This one runs.
Who knows, man? 3.3. Mine are double throw.
Okay, let's see if we should make copies. All right, let's hope. See if I have enough power and juice.
What happened?
That ain't gonna help me. That isn't gonna help me. How am I gonna hold the two of them together?
I can hold them. You gotta update the people.
Where is the light?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on the hook.
No way.
All right, just reached in and grabbed it. It was right there. Just pull this over. You're gonna have to steer it. Hopefully it doesn't go too fast.
Yeah. Want me to steer?
Whew.
Huh? You want it?
What? Oh, the beer. Yeah, we could do that on camera. That's fine. It's beer break time. Dean's here, so we get a beer break. Max does it next year. All right, so I just learned here that my wife says, you know that word, that thing, frickin', all the frickin' time. I learned it from her. I gotta set up the crotch cam, see what I'm doing. Here's the crotch cam. Looking at me. Looking at you. Sheila's up on the jacks now. Easier to get her around the shop. Okay, so these are gonna get redone. These wheels, I'm gonna blast these, clean these all up to get these redone. So I have welding to do. This right here, cut a piece out for this. You see, this is all a big hole. This piece here, that will go back on there. Actually, that's not the right piece. But anyway, so we get that. We have, most of this is already sanded down. So I got the bottom right here, all four corners. 1, 2, and the other side 3, 4. I'm gonna weld this up. I don't want that there. This hole there, and this one here. So these 4 corners, we already did the floors years ago. And I have to make new pieces for this too. This was all rotted here. So I gotta piece this in. This was this piece here. Old, new. So we got that to do. So this is gonna be a fairly quicker restoration. This is almost done. And then we'll get on to, I don't know, what do you want to do next? Flipper! We'll get on to Flipper right after this one. Sell that car and get it out of here. So, yes, this should be fairly quick. This shouldn't be too long. And you shouldn't see me doing a lot of screw-ups, so there's be no laughing at me, right? Hardly. Because I'm not doing any mechanical, really, on this one. So yeah, this one's going to be a fairly quick job. I don't know if you can see it. Let me hold it. So under here, I already put a new pan in, but I didn't put the braces in, so I had to weld the braces in, but I blasted all that in there and painted all inside under here. So the drop-offs, these things are still good, which is nice. So it just needs a little patch on the bottom, all 4 corners, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty good. Finished the inside of the trunk. Already started jamming that. I think I just threw color on it. I'm probably going to I'll put more color on it after. But yeah, the inside of the trunk, that's done. Oh, these are my braces. These are the braces for the gas tank. We'll find out that stuff. So I'll weld those in, and then that's it. And then it'll be off to the races, baby. I'll sandblast these, get these all in primer. These pieces. This is Frank's girlfriend's car, so all these parts are already primed. I think the insides of these are already painted. They are. So I've already painted everything on the inside of this. So these are all ready to sand down. All these pieces are already done. They're ready to go. So that's where we did 2 years ago. Max might be able to see this to completion before he leaves us. So these are our parts. They're all ready to go. They're all in the final primer. I think except for this one. I think this one I had to, yeah, I still got stuff to do on this one. So I should bring this piece back in the shop. Yeah, we're ready. Oh, I got to do the hood still. Hood is coming off of that car, that gold car, Trans Am hood. So also, it's an 81 car, so it's going to have 81 interior, but I want to do 1980 birds because I like the birds. Because the 1980 bird looks like this, and the 1981 bird looks like this. It's not as nice as the 80 bird. I think the 80 bird is a lot nicer. I like the colors in it. Let me know what you think. Also, this car is loaded. Every option in this: air, cruise, tilt, power windows, trunk lock, power locks, everything. This car's loaded. I like that. So my wife's going to be happy if she has air conditioning if we can get it to work. That's when you'll see me mess up and you'll laugh at me. A little bit right there. Okay, thanks. You got my memory card. Thanks, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, pause, fast forward, rewind. What else can you do? Click, ding, bell, whatever you gotta do. So I guess, yeah, the more you guys do, pause the video part way. It helps my algorithm, so more people will get out there, more people will see it. Yeah, thanks for watching.